end of round 4, Fijai Senior High School, 27 points. Amenfiman Senior High School, 36 points. Opoku Ware School, 61 points. The last round, the riddles round. So I'll be reading clues to one particular thing for 4 riddles, okay? This time, you can stop me at any time. Just ring your bell, and I will give you the opportunity to answer. You give a correct answer whilst I'm on the first clue, 5 points. Second clue, 4 points. Third clue, or any other number of clues, 3 points. If you are unsuccessful, though, you have to sit out. When we move to the next riddle, then you join us. I'm not deducting points for this one, okay? But let me remind you, at stake in this round is the Goal Riddle Bonanza. If you are able to solve 3 riddles correctly, Goal will give the team 1,200 cedis. If you solve all 4 riddles correctly, the team gets 1,600 cedis. The Goal Riddle Bonanza is proudly sponsored by Goal Good Energy. Riddle number 1. I am a basic trigonometric function of the form y equals f of x. I am continuous everywhere. I vanish at the origin. My period. Fijai Senior High.
Y equals sine x.
Incorrect. My period is pi radians. Amenfiman Senior High.
Y equals sine 2x.
Incorrect. I have a maximum value of 10 at x equals pi over 4 radians. Who am I? Opoku High School.
Y equals 10 sine 2x.
That is correct. Next riddle. I am a type of thermodynamic process. A system may do positive or negative work when I occur. A system may also absorb or reject heat when I occur. Work equals pressure. Opoku High School.
Isobaric process.
Yes. 3 points. Next riddle. I am a silvery white metal that is strong and resistant to corrosion. I am often combined with other metals to make alloys that are more durable. I am magnetic. I have found significant uses in battery and in coins. I am also yes, Amenfiman.
Copper.
No. I am also used as a catalyst in Opoku High School.
Gold.
No. I am also used as a catalyst in hydrogenation reactions. As element 28 and with symbol Ni, I am a highly versatile metal. Who am I? Fijai Senior High.
Nickel.
Yes. 3 points. The last riddle. We are a kind of swelling growth. We are found on the external tissues of plants. There are 2 primary categories of us, closed and open. We are caused by bacteria, fungi, nematodes, insects, or mites, or by a combination of these agents. We develop on various plant organs, providing nutrition and shelter to inducing insects. We are abnormal outgrowth of plant tissues similar to benign tumors or warts in animals. Who are we?
No, I don't think so.
Opoku High School?
Indumenta.
No. The answer, yes. Yes, you raised your hand. So, what's the answer? Yes, what's the answer? The answer. Oh, AI. What did AI say? The answer is GALS. GALLS. And that ends round 5. Okay.